Hi, here's your sound clip for the 16-inch Buffalo frame drum. She came out amazing. Very pretty drum. She has nice, deep, smooth tones. Here we go. I'm going to use two different beaters. Each beater has a little bit different sound. So the first one I'm using a softer leather. Here we go. Okay, and the second one I'm using one of my sound healing beaters, which actually comes with the drum. Here we go. Now, I'm not playing that hard at all, and it's a very loud drum. I'm not sure if you're getting the true sound. We're using an old iPhone 6. But here, come take a close look. The buffalo hide, it's a real nice, dark, beautiful. Real nice, beautiful, dark skin. Nice and clean along the edges. I used real thick lacing, which made a real thick handle. The lace is nice and tight. Wood type is maple wood. All around beautiful drum. Play a little bit more. All right, thank you.